Hello everyone and welcome to the globaltrader.club's members area website. Now if you're here, you're probably planning on joining, or you're wondering what it's all about and so on. And I thought I'd do a short video to kind of inform you so that you can make an informed decision rather than rush in with any expectation. So I first created the members area for people who took the coaching so that they had a common place where they could come, communicate, trade, and bounce off ideas from each other. And that would be like a supportive community for everybody who took the coaching and who understand how we trade technically and how we trade timing wise. Okay. And then what happened is, because I wasn't doing a lot of social media, but once I started doing some social media in late 2019, 2020s, then people start to come in and join the members area as well, and they hadn't taken the coaching courses, and they weren't really aware of what we were doing. So I didn't say no to anybody who wants to come and join us. Not a problem to come and join us, but I just need you to understand that we're trading in a specific way, which is based on time and price, and we're trading at moments where the price and time come together. So understanding how we calculate them, how it comes together, is important if you want to apply the knowledge and what's being shared on the members area, in the members area, effectively and efficiently. Now, if you know technical analysis and money management, which is actually the first question I ask everyone who gets in touch with me, the first thing I ask is, look, do you know how to do technical analysis and money management? If they say no, I won't recommend it, okay? Because what you want to do is really have a systematic approach. So with the globaltrader.club, in the members area, I provide the swing days, the swing hours in every day, Monday to Friday, not the weekends. I also work Monday to Thursday, so sometimes on Fridays there are no videos. It's also mentioned on my webpage that I work Monday to Thursdays. So we're giving the information, I'm posting them there. It's not a problem. Anybody who wants to come, join, can and use them, but just be advised that you're trading with time and price, and you need to match it to your style of technical analysis. If you haven't, taken any technical analysis from me or any timing coaching from me or whatever, so you have to bring them together. If you have any questions or queries, in any case, you can always ask. You can get in touch with me in any way you like, either from the website or from the methods in the contact us page on the globaltrader.club website, and ask your questions. Right, without further ado, let's get into the website area so you can have a brief idea of what's going on in there and see if this is your cup of tea or not. All right, so let's go. All right, so as you come in, this is the members area, members.globaltrader.club. First, you're going to have to obviously join. Now, when you join in, when you click on this will take you to a place where the payment is made. Now, I'm using Stripe, which is a US company, and my company actually is a US company, despite the fact that I do not live in the US. I live on the Mediterranean coast in Antalya, Turkey, and the company is in the US. I'm using US banking system, US credit card processing, and so on. Now here, I don't do any tracking with your personal information at all. So it's just straightforward becoming a member by just clicking on one of these. Now, one more important thing here you need to understand is, if at any time you want to cancel, you got to do it from this website. Okay, so when you want to cancel, if you want to cancel at any time, you can. It's not a problem. Just do it from the website, because if you don't do it through the website, Stripe will continuously keep charging you, because this is a membership and it continues until you specifically end it. Okay, so that's an important thing to keep in mind. Now, once you become a member and you log in, and once you log in, you'll come to the members area here. And then here you can just get into anything, whatever you're trading, it doesn't matter, just click in here and you'll end up on this page. Now here you'll see the recent posts. Okay, as you can see, I'm doing this video on the 24th of March 2025, and you can see April is already there. So all of the swing days and the swing hours of April for the assets that we're trading is done. Now today is the 24th, so I'm going to go into the 24th to the 28th of March, and then as you can see, I've got the swing days here, I've got the swing hours here for every day. This is Monday, so today is a Monday. I've posted the video, but you'll see Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, they're already posted. All of the hours and the swing days are already posted, like I said, until the end of April. So you got the full month ahead of you. All right, and every day I'll add a video, but sometimes, like I said before, on Fridays there may not be a video. The hours will be there, but there may not be a video because I don't work on Fridays, and I may not be always available to do so because I go on trips and so on, and normally that happens on a Friday. Now also, if you're trading crypto, you need to understand that I have not done the swing hours for the weekends. So if you're trading crypto on Saturdays and Sundays, I do give the swing days. For example, here I've got Bitcoin, and you see I've got Tuesday, Friday, Sunday. So for the week of 24th to the 28th, although it's Monday to Friday, you can see I've also got here Sunday for Bitcoin, and also in the previous week there was a Sunday for Bitcoin as well, which was a swing day, and so on. So I give the whole week for the swing days, but the weekend swing hours I do not. Okay, so if you're really interested in doing that, figuring that out, you can just take the coaching program for market timing. The reason is it takes quite a bit of time for me to do it, and adding another 2 days is like it's like very demotivating. Okay, so until I get the software done for this, hopefully it's manual process. Okay, so timing can take a bit of time. Here you'll have all the information, as you can see, and all you have to do is just, if there's anything you want to check in the past as well, you can go to the archives. As you can see, I've got information going all the way into the end of 2021, so just say like January 2022. You can see I've got a lot of information here, so if you want to check anything, test anything, do anything, feel free to go ahead and use the information there. Now, before I used to have a lot of categories here because I had other people working with me, but globaltrader.club has always been actually just me. So they kind of took off, and I look at just gold, euro, dollar, SP 500, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and Bitcoin. Okay, so these are the specific ones I look out for. If you want a custom analysis for something that you're specifically trading, that's that you can book a service for that in the services area. I do custom analysis for certain clients when they want to do something. For example, from India, if they're trading Nifty, or I had a client also, another one from Singapore, who wanted the swing days for gold, for like 6 months ahead, and he didn't want to be a member, so he just took 6 months swing days and so on. So that is a different service altogether, but here you'll find, like I said, all the information that you'd like to have. And if you have any queries or any questions at all, you just go to contact us here. You can go to the contact page at globaltrader.club as well. I'm always available, and at the globaltrader.club you'll see I've got a WhatsApp number there, Telegram number there as well, so you can always get in touch from those numbers as well, and also you can just drop me an email. Okay, so if you have any queries, questions, don't be shy, because in my personal opinion there is no such thing as a stupid question. Okay, so feel free to ask anything you'd like to, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions and queries. So I'd like you to make sure you use the time and the price together in an effective and efficient way, and please ensure you're using money management. All right, okay, have a good day.